How to save content from Google Drive. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you save content from Google Drive. You need to make sure to actually go ahead and open up your Google Drive application on your device, and then you have to go to the file or folder or the section where you want to, or which file that you want to save or the content. Let's see, this is the one. Tap the three dot icon and then click on the download button. So you have to do the same thing for the rest of the other file. So it's a very simple thing. Just press on the download button. But in some cases, it might be not accessible due to the owner or the account owner who has actually sent you the following content that might not be savable. So you have to understand that as well. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Also, I forgot to mention, while doing this procedure, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection and that your application is completely up to date and that you have enough storage.